Welcome to day 12 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge. Today we're going through jewelry. I don't keep a ton of jewelry. I would love to. It's one of the things I would love to collect. Maybe one day when I'm a real grown-up. But I do have a beautiful jewelry box where I try to keep everything all together. It's gotten a little bit disorganized over the past year, so I will give it a nice little refresh right now and just make sure that I'm still loving everything that I have. Some tips for jewelry. Necklaces, if you have space, I love hanging them because they don't ever get jumbled. But if you don't, then a jewelry box like what I'll show you works really well too. If you have chains that are stuck together and you're having a hard time getting them apart, sometimes I use tweezers or even a sewing needle. You can kind of poke it through and ease those chains apart. I love cleaning my jewelry regularly, especially my earrings. So I have like a little sonic vibrational cleaner thing that was very inexpensive on Amazon. If you want the link, just comment and I'll send it to you. So I'll clean my wedding rings and my earrings usually every couple of weeks, and they come out all sparkly and new and they just feel fresh and clean. What else? If you have broken chains or even like earring backs, anything that's no longer a pair, instead of tossing it, I encourage you to double check and see if they're made out of any precious metals. If they're stamped with sterling or anything that alludes to it being real gold, then you can always take those pieces into those like We Buy Gold places. I don't know what they're actually called, but they always have huge signs that say like, "We buy gold." And they will actually give you cash for the metal. So it's a nice way of making a little bit of change instead of just throwing those broken bits away. Okay, here is what my jewelry box looks like right now. And the thing I love about these stackers, it's from the Container Store, but the whole thing just stacks all together. Hard to do with one hand, but then it can just sit in my closet or wherever you want to store it like this. And I keep all my sort of everyday stuff up here. So now I'm going to go through it and reorganize. Okay, I actually did find a couple of things that I'm never going to wear, and I was able to give this a nice little spruce up, put everything back kind of where it goes. And then the next layer, I just tucked in some of the bigger items. And now we're all good. See you tomorrow.